What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be restoring this old... I'll fact check myself here on the screen with this, I believe is a 1996, made in May, Zippo, flat bottom. It's got a matching insert. This one was made in April of 96. See the D there, and the Roman numerals. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up today. Get it back in working order. It's got flint in it. Just needs to polish it up. It's got some old NASCAR on there. It's Joe's Racing, number 23. My name's not Joe, and that doesn't interest me. I like the brass Zippo, so we're gonna be scratching the rest of this off here and polishing everything up. Getting some fluid in this thing, getting it working again. Yeah. Let's get to it. Alright, we got all the paint off there. You can still see the outline. So I'm going to hop back over to the bench grinder. Go at it for a minute, and then I'll come back and sand everything to give it a uniform finish. Alright, I'd say that's pretty good. From where we started, that looks about like a brand new lighter. Let's get this insert cleaned up a little bit. Again, just on this wire wheel. And then we'll get some fluid in this thing and call it a video. Alright, last thing we're going to do is hit everything with some Never Dull. Good stuff right here. Just a nice little finish polish to put on it. I wish this was in a little better shape. That brass coating on it is coming off a lot. A little bit more came off when I was on the bench grinder, but it was already pretty bad and it needed clean, so it is what it is. It shows its age. See all that stuff coming off there? Say that's a pretty good job. Night and day difference from where we started for sure. Looks almost like new. Let's get some fluid in this thing and get it fired up. Wick looks good, cotton looks good. It's got flint in it, so let's get some fluid in it. Call this a project. It's pretty dry, so it's soaking it up pretty good. Alright, y'all. There's our finished video. Restoring this old 1996, I believe. Correct myself if I'm wrong. Zippo. Made in May of 96. Say it looks pretty good. Let me know what you all think down in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed. And yeah, thank you all very much for watching. Until next time.